In the previous lectures of digital image processing, our main focus is on the degradation process, how to restore the image. If we have the noise is present only in the degradation process for the restoration process, then we have some of the filters. If only the noise is present, then we have the filters like the mean filter and the order static filter. In the previous lecture, in the last video, we already discussed about the mean filters that are the arithmetic, geometric, harmonic and contra harmonic. In this video lecture, we will discuss the topic that is the order static filters, which is also one of the filter which is to be used when the restoration is applied, but only the noise is to be present, not the degradation function. Degradation function is not present, then second filter is known as the order static filter, which have the median, minimum, maximum filter, midpoint filter, alter trim filter. Will discuss these filters one by one. So let's start with what is the order static filter. So these are the spatial domain system whose response is based on the ordinary, we can say that the pixel contained in the image area and passed by the filter. So the response of the filter at any point is determined by the ranking result or the order static filter. These are also known as the rank filter, order filter and the order static filter. We must operate these filters on a neighborhood around a reference pixel by ordering the pixel value and then performing an operation on those ordered value to obtain the new value for the reference pixel. Clear? We have for example, we have the image, we have the number of pixels in that image, and we ordered all the pixel with respect to the neighborhood value, or with respect to the neighborhood ordering, pixel values ordering, we compare all the ranking values and perform the operation on that values to obtain the new reference pixel. So they perform very well in the presence of salt and pepper noise, which is the impulsive noise, but are more computationally expensive as compared to the mean filter. So this is one of the drawback, that these filters are expensive. So another desire is the mean output is based on the ranking of the pixels in a sub image, so that we replace the values of the pixel by the median of the gray level in the neighborhood of that pixel. A specified mask. Specified mask mean we have the image, we select some part of the image, that part is also of the same size as the original image, that is known as the specified mask. Or we can say that we calculate the median with respect to that sub image for replacing the values of the pixel. So it is excellent for removing both the bipolar and unipolar impulsive noise, so that we use the function, that is the degraded function f cap x comma y is equal to median s comma t belongs to s x comma y g s comma t. So this equation is to be used for explaining the order static filter. We first have the filter that is the median filter. First type is the median filter. This is the most popular and the useful for the rank filter. It works by selecting the middle pixel value from the order of the values within m into n neighborhood around the reference pixel. Simply we select the middle pixel. If m into n is an even number, for example 6 into 6 size hai, 2 into 2 have 4 size hai. If the even number, then the arithmetic average of two values is closest to the middle of the ordered set is used instead. Clear? Practically जो median value आएगी 4 के लिए 2 value आएगी. So many variant extension and optimized implementation are to be used in case of the median filter. Clear? So to calculate the median filter, we simply have the equation like f cap x comma y equal to median g s comma t. So Next filter is the max and min filter. Max mean replacing the value of the pixel by the maximum value of the gray level. If we have the sub image, the pixel with the maximum value is replaced by the new pixel value. So the brightest point in the neighborhood of that pixel. With the min filter, we replace the value of the pixel by the minimum of the gray level value or the darkest point in the neighborhood of the pixel. So we use the equations like f cap x comma y equal to max. For the max filter, we have the max g s comma t, and for min, we have min g s comma t. Max filters are also known as 100% filter, whereas the min filter are also known as 0th percentile filter. Max filters helps in removing the paper noise, and min filters are used for the removing the salt noise. Clear? So next we have the midpoint filter. So midpoint filters output is the midpoint between the maximum and the minimum value is the midpoint of the gray level values in the mask. So combine the order statics and the averaging. Midpoint filter work best for the randomly distributed noise like the Gaussian or the uniform. So we have the equations like we simply calculate the mid of the points. For example, 0 to 4 है, then mid of that equation is 0 plus 4 divided by 2. Similarly, with between the maximum and the minimum value mid find करना है, तो max and min value को add करके divide by 2. Clear? Simply max g s comma t plus max g minimum s g s comma t, max and min को दोनों को ऐड करके, for example from the index value 0 to 4, minimum value is 0 and the maximum is 4. 0 plus 4 divided by 2, we get the middle value. So calculating the average of the highest and the lowest pixel value within a window. Clear? This is the simply the midpoint filter. So we already discussed all of these